In my previous video, we went over the August McKinney local update regarding the house prices, and what we found that the median price point for the homes in July was about $559,000. So what I decided to do is take you, I did a search, I only found one home listed at that price point currently, and so what we're going to do is we're going to take a tour of a home so you can kind of see what value you're getting for that price point. So let's go ahead and we'll take a look at the home.
So the first thing we're going to notice, the home looks very nicely taken care of on the outside. Generally when buyers look at a home, they perceive what the outside appearance is, the curb appeal, and they're going to assume the inside looks just as nice. So this is going to be exciting. Let's go ahead inside and take a look. So one thing I really like about this home is just how they've maintained the exterior. So obviously as you're going to walk up to it, it's just very welcoming, very clean looking, and this should be a big perk for what you're looking for within the home.
So this is a great example, again, of that median price point here in McKinney at $559,000. That's the current median rate for the city of McKinney. If you're a home seller, then it's going to give you an idea of what your competition may be, how their home looks, what type of things are being included, right? So I'm giving you the refrigerator. They have several different home updates. So it's just something that shows that the home was cared for. And that's just something you're always going to want to do. Again, the outside exterior of the home was great. So that first impression coming into the home is going to let a buyer know, like, hey, look, we've taken care of this home. And then when they get inside, they have the information about the home. They see all the updates that have been done to it. They're going to be a lot more confident moving into this home and making an offer on it without feeling like there might be hidden repairs that need to be done. So if you're interested in chatting about real estate, or if you have any questions, just send me an email. Send it to Miguel Perez, the Realtor, at gmail.com. We can strike up a conversation. All right, I look forward to hearing from you, and I'll see you in the next video.